Hi, my dear students. Continuation of the Thomas question. Here, 19th question. Find the discriminant. Find the discriminant. Can you see the problem? Can you see the problem? See the 19th one. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. And determine the nature of the roots. The choice question is there, or express the quadratic equation 2x plus 3 of x is equal to x square plus 1 in the standard form. Okay, I am going to take the first question. Let us see what will be the answer. Okay, here the problem is 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. What the question asked? 2x square 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here question asked, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Actually, in any quadratic equation, if you want to find the discriminant, you have to use that d is equivalent to b square minus 4ac. This is the word discriminant part. Here, compare the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In place of a, what is there? 2 is there. So write that a is equal to what? 2. In place of b, what is there? 3 is there. So b is equal to what? 3. In place of c, constant that free from the variable. That's what including minus sign. C is equal to what? Minus 7. Substitute these values in this discriminant. That d is equivalent to b square means that is 3 square minus 4 into a. A means what? 2. C means what? Minus 7. Here square that one. 3 3 is 9 minus 4 2 is 8 into minus 7. It is equivalent to 9 minus into minus plus 8 7 is 56. Multiply these two. Here add 9 plus 56. What are getting? That is add that 60 65. Here therefore discriminant part what you got 65. After that question asked determine the nature of the roots. Here 65 is greater than 0. It is positive. Therefore what I have to say? Roots are real and distinct. Okay, real and distinct. So this is the answer required. So what may be distinct discriminant part? What that 65 that is greater than 0. Here don't forget minus into minus plus. So that becomes 65. 65 is greater than 0. Therefore what can declare d? The roots are what? Real and distinct. It is totally positive. You have to say this one. After that, choice questions or here you have to express the quadratic equation 2x plus 3 into x is equal to x square plus 1 in the standard form. Here the equation is given 2x plus 3 into x is equivalent to x square plus 1. Here you have to apply the distributive property, especially right distributive property, x into 3 and x into 2x. 2x into x, what are getting? 2x square plus 3 into x, that becomes 3x is equivalent to x square plus 1. Here 2x square is more than the 1x square. So therefore transpose this from right to left. That becomes minus. That is 2x square minus 1x square, no question means 1x square plus 3x, and take this 1 also, that becomes minus 1. It is equal to what? 0. Then what thing happening? That is 2x square minus 1x square. Subtract 1x square from 2x square. We are getting 1x square only. After that plus 3x, okay, minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the what tangent from the quadratic equation. Okay. So in this way you may find the what solution for two questions. Here choice is there. You may attend any of these two. If write any of these two, the solution like this, surely you are getting the marks. Okay. After that, I need to take the next one. That is prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Here, a compulsory question can be asked. What is the question? Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. 20th question. Let us see how to prove that one. Here, what is the question asked? Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational number. The proof is a little bit complex. You have to study carefully. Here the thing is very simple. You have to take the one contradictory method. Suppose root 5 is not irrational. Athwa assume root 5 is not irrational. Okay, that point I want to use that one. Here, what is the thing? Assume root 5 is not irrational. If it is not irrational, it should be the what? Rational. The simple concept. If it is not a pen, it should be the chalk piece or it should be the pencil, like that one. That is root 5 is rational. Rational number, that is of harm. You know that one. That is root 5 is equivalent to A by B or P by Q. Your wish. You may take any two letters. Here condition applied. B not equal to 0. One thing. Second thing, that is HCF of A comma B, it should be equal to 1. Okay. This is a fine statement you have to write in any examination. The same type of question will be asked in the PUC also, PU mathematics also. You try it like this. After that, here I want to eliminate this root 5 into rational. How? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What thing happening? That is root 5 whole square is equivalent to A by B whole square. Here square and square cancel. That means root 5 into root 5 root 20. Root 20 value is what? 5 is equal to what? That is A square by B square. Here cross multiply this one. Here that becomes what? 5B square is equal to what? A square. Here take this as on equation 1. After this, I want to take that again. Here what the 5 is to be taken as in the denominator of the A square. Then what thing happening? That is B square is equal to what? A square divisible by 5. Here this shows the what? A square number is divisible by prime number. Don't forget, 5 is a prime number. A square divisible by prime number. Its root also divisible by the same prime number. It is taken as the theorem that is given in the textbook. So therefore what thing happening? That is A square divisible by 5. That implies A square root, its root is what? A. That also divisible by the same prime number, 5. In the same way, here you have to show that one, that is a B square. Similarly, you may take that one as a B square divisible by what? 5. That implies what is the square root of B square? That is what? B. Divisible by the same number, 5. Take this expression 2 and take this expression 3. Here A, that divisible by 5, B also divisible by 5. That shows the what? HCF of A comma B. HCF of A comma B is equal to what? 5. But what I have taken that HCF of A comma B, that's what 1 is taken. So but here what you got? HCF of A comma B is what? 5. That is our assumption is wrong. You should get here also HCF of A comma B is what? 1, but we got here 5. that is other than the one. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is the assumption? Root 5 is not irrational. That is the assumption taken. So if the assumption is wrong means it should be the irrational. Therefore, root 5 is an irrational. Okay, very easy to write. Anyway, thank you my dear students. Here today I solved two questions. So tomorrow I'll solve the next problems, especially two more questions. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my channel. If any of the doubt, please write in the comment box. Thank you.